Hello Taurus, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 23rd November to 29th November. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. Now this reading is about what opportunities could present itself in this week in terms of your careers, business or money situation. Also what challenges or obstacles you could face, if any, so that you can, deal with them wisely. Now this is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check the other video as well. So let's start Taurus. Taurus general energies, career, business, money situation. Taurus general energies, career, business, money situation from 21st to 23rd to 29th. Spirits and guides, angels and guides, please guide. Okay, one more shuffle. Taurus general's energy for money situation, angels and guides. Please help. The Hanged Man, Nine of Cups. This is Eight of Swords, Four of Wands, Two of Pentacles. So Taurus, I see here lot of work. There is lot of work. It seems that you were having a good period, you had taken a break, and you were having a good time, like, with friends, family, meeting relatives, going outside, traveling, attending parties. You must have done in, last week. That's what it feels like. So for some of you, but now you are back to work, you are back to hard work, that grinding, back to the grind. Two of Pentacles, juggling one work after another, business and job or two businesses together. It's a lot of hard work this week. And you are eyeing bigger projects, you are eyeing bigger profits, you are eyeing good quality work. That is what you want to work for now. That's what you're thinking about. So you want to work on projects which in the long term projects, or even if it's in your job situation, you want to work on certain things which in near future will be bigger, like more visible. If for business people also, they are looking at, you will be looking at bigger things, like not the small profits. And of course you will be doing that together, but your focus is to gain big profits, big money. That's what, and you are ready to put in the hard work, you are ready to do the hard work that's required with this Two of Pentacle card here. For that reason, some of you are a little stuck. You are feeling how to go about, how to do it. At times you might be feeling low or in depression, because it's a little confusing for you right now. Due to certain situations, there is a certain situation in your life. It could be in your relationship, it could be in your workplace, or which gives you stress, or you don't know how, you wouldn't know how to go into this, how to make this successful, the bigger projects, the bigger dream that you have for yourself. So that is giving you stress. So this is, but self-limiting energy. So your thoughts, you are stuck in your head. This is the card, getting stuck in the head about, things not happening, will not happen, pessimistic. So you have to come out of these energies, if at all you are into these energies. So if you are putting your hard work, you're doing everything, of course, it will be only successful if you come out of these stuck energies here, stuck in the head energies, feeling upset, feeling lonely, feeling depressed. That's the thing. Some of you will be feeling, that's what I get here. Yeah. And I feel, even if in its relationship, if, or at your workplace, if things have gone sour with your partners or associate, or at home, they need mending. You need to repair those relationship. Highly inflammable relationship or situations need to be handled with diplomacy. That's what I get here. With calmness and cool-headedness. That's what I get here. For some of you it may be no arguments, kind of. Do not make any enemies. That's what I get. Handle everything with diplomacy and tact. But some of you are into buying a house or a car here, Taurus might decide. And for some of you, it is partnership happening, deals happening. This is a card of foundation, putting a foundation. So it could be a financial foundation, a deal coming through, a partnership coming through, or for some of you it might be in your personal life, a marriage, buying an apartment, buying a house, that's what, or a four-wheeler for, I mean a car. Some of you might be buying this for this. Also with this card, some of you are traveling related to marriage or attending a wedding, that might call for a lot of expense here. Traveling to attend a function, family function, that's again another story that I get here. But of course, now you are trying to put in the hard work. You will be doing the hard work, and do not come out of these energies. That's what Eight of Swords. No overthinking, no getting stuck in the head. Everything is fine, Taurus. That's what I want to say here. It's just that you need to put in the work here. Here we have Two of Pentacles. So some settlements might come to you, Taurus, irrespective whatever you like, the money which has not been paid to you for work that you have done, or a government has cut excess taxes, or some insurance company paying you out. So some settlements might come with this, with Two of Pentacles, like a settlement coming finally, for either that you have a work you have done previously, or in your past some settlements were due and it will come to you here. Also money coming with the work that you put in. It could be from stock market, brokerage, real estate, rentals, leases, that's the thing that I get here. So this is it, Taurus, sir. Let me just this week looks to be good. I mean, it's all about work and about maintaining your calm and reaching your goals, near-term goals. This is what I get here. Just be handle inflammable situations with diplomacy. So let's see, angel guidance for Taurus. Angel guidance for Taurus. Confrontation. See, this is what I told you. Choose your battles wisely. So do not get into inflammable situations. That's what it's coming also with the angel guide. Do not put your energies into negativity. Use it for your work, use it for growth, use it for happiness. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed, Taurus.